To create a theme, start by navigating to the left panel and selecting the Design drop-down. From there, choose Theme. In the right panel, you'll find the standard theme option with various pre-made themes. Or you can select Create Theme to create custom template from scratch. In the Create Theme layout, you can customize the background, font, and logo. You have options to choose a color, image, or gradient for the background. For the font, you can edit the style and appearance of headings and paragraphs, and also customize the bullet points to fit your design needs. You can upload a logo, adjust its size, and position it wherever you'd like on your slides. Once you're happy with the changes, enter a name for your theme. And click Save Theme to save it. Your custom template is now ready for use across all your slides.